Hi, welcome. This video guides you in terms of opening TD Ameritrade 60 days PaperMoney account. The registration link can be obtained from investment training programs, from website search, or even the link has been given below in the video description. So what you're seeing now is the front page when you click the link for PaperMoney registration. The immediate question will be, do you have an existing TD Ameritrade account? If you do not have an TD Ameritrade account, please click no. If you already have the account, then you can click yes by logging in into the page itself. So in this video, we are guiding in terms of creating a new PaperMoney account. So in that case, I'm going to click here as no. Right? Give a few seconds and the page will load a series of questions or a series of data that's required. So immediately what you're going to see is enter the image. This is to ensure that it is not a robot filling in the detail, but it is a human. So the number displayed here, the 6-digit here, is not the same. Look at your screen and enter the number that you see on your screen. So in this case, I will put in what displays in mind. So if you have entered the right number, you will get a tick mark, a check mark, which is green color here, right? Then the next stage is create your login credential. Here, please make sure that you do not have any special character like percentage, ampersand, hashtag, exclamation, $, at your user ID. Okay, make sure the user ID is between 8 to 15 characters. And if your user ID has already been taken, it will eventually reflect as it is not available and you would need to choose other user ID. So a user ID must include at least one letter, right? And it is required. So in this case, I am going to create as alright, and choose your own preferred password. So please make sure the password is between 8 to 64 characters and it must meet complexity requirement. Please make sure you are not putting in your user ID as your password, and this is a required field. After this, you would need to fill in your contact information. In this case, your first name, middle name is optional, your last name is compulsory, your email address is necessary, and then confirm your email address. What they meant here is type in again the email address that you have given up here. Alright, for the phone number, click on the caret icon here, click on it and type the letter M in your keyboard. When you type the letter M, the country starting with the letter M will be listed. So now scroll down to select Malaysia. Okay, then if your mobile number is 6012343445, then you enter in as +60 is already automatically created. You enter as 13434345. So it has to be valid, else it will not accept. So once you have filled in all the details above, fill in your address information. So let me do the same. and we will go into the trading experience. So when it comes to trading experience, please choose the appropriate answer. So in my case, perhaps I'll put in 1 to 5 years. You may choose to put in according to your trading experience. How many times have you traded each month? Please select appropriately. So in this case, I will just choose according to my preferred data. And what products are you interested in trading? Please select equity, option, and exchange traded